Top React interview questions and answers. In the event that you are a hopeful front-end designer getting ready for interviews, this blog is for you. This blog on top React interview questions.
But before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. SprintSeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
Questions and answers is the ideal guide for you to gain proficiency with all the ideas needed to clear a React meet. Be that as it may, prior to beginning with the C, we should investigate React's interest and status on the lookout. Gradually and consistently, the JavaScript devices are firming their foundations in the commercial center, and interest in the React certificate is expanding dramatically. Choosing the correct innovation for building up an application or site is getting all the more tested. Among all, React is considered the fastest developing JavaScript structure. Allow us to begin by investigating the absolute most habitually posed React interview questions.
This is a list of some popular React interview questions and answers that will help you prepare better. These questions are a good place to kickstart beginners' React interview questions and answers. For this, it is vital to be familiar with technical React interview questions and answers as well. These questions will be extremely beneficial to those seeking experience-level interview questions. Below listed are the top React interview questions along with their answers. List of React interview questions and answers. React interview questions and answers set 1. 1. What are the upsides of utilizing React? MVC is by and large condensed as model view controller. Utilization of the virtual DOM improves productivity. React utilizes a virtual DOM to deliver the view. Virtual DOM, as the name implies, is a virtual representation of the genuine DOM. Each time the information changes in a React app, another virtual DOM gets made. Making a virtual DOM is a lot quicker than delivering the UI inside the program. Thus, with the utilization of virtual DOM, the productivity of the application improves. The delicate expectation to absorb information. React has a delicate expectation to absorb information when contrasted with systems like Angular. Anybody with little information on JavaScript can begin building web applications utilizing React. Search engine optimization benevolent. React permits designers to create connected UIs that can be effectively explored in different web indexes. It likewise permits worker-side delivery, which helps the SEO of an application. Reusable parts. React utilizes part-based design for creating applications. Parts are free and reusable pieces of code. These parts can be shared across different applications based on their comparative usefulness. The reutilization of segments expands the speed of improvement. The colossal environment of libraries to look over. React gives you the opportunity to pick the apparatuses, libraries, and engineering for building up an application dependent on your necessity. 2. What is JSX? JSX represents JavaScript XML. It permits us to compose HTML inside JavaScript and spot them in the DOM without utilizing capacities like append child or create element. As expressed in the authority documents of React, JSX gives syntactic sugar to React. Create element, work. This would be a part of the React.js interview questions. 3. What are the contrasts among practical and class segments? Prior to the presentation of hooks in React, useful segments were called stateless paths and were behind class segments on the component premise. After the presentation of hooks, useful segments are comparable to class segments. Albeit practical paths are the new pattern, the React group demands keeping class segments in React. Hence, it is essential to realize how these two segments contrast.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with SprintSeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.